Leadership of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, and taxi associations will be meeting today in an effort to bring some level of normalcy to the sector following 2 incidents last evening. TC bus drivers have this morning withdrawn their services in the corporate area out of fear. It follows 2 incidents last evening, which resulted in the killing of a taxi driver and a JUTC mechanic.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The killing of an employee of the state-owned Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, in New Kingston on Tuesday morning led to a withdrawal of service by the company's bus operators. Sources have suggested that the attack is believed to have been a reprisal for the stabbing death of a taxi driver along Washington Boulevard on Monday night.
Good morning, one and all. Please take note that JUTC has withdrawn their services. There was an altercation between a JUTC driver last night and a Duhaney Park taximan, and resulted for the taximan dying. So this morning, Duhaney Park has exacted that they want 4 drivers for the Duhaney Park taximan, and they have gone 1. Yeah, they have gone 1. So 1 JUTC driver died this morning. So now JUTC drivers are now withdrawing their services because they fear their life.
A Bubinile dead? Yo, a problem, you know. A man them better left off of the road there. A problem, man, this.
The management of the JUTC reportedly held an emergency meeting with various stakeholders on Tuesday morning following the 2 incidents. According to a JUTC statement, several stakeholders were present, including the Police High Command, union representatives, the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services, the Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, and Ministry of Transport officials. Coming out of the meeting, the following were agreed: assurance by the police of enhanced presence on selective routes. Buses would be rolling out on a phased basis with a hope to have full resumption of service by 5 p.m. on Tuesday. JUTC drivers withdrew their service following the shooting death of 34-year-old Mikkel Donaldson, otherwise called Biggs, of a Bull Bay, St. Andrew address. According to the Halfway Tree Police, Donaldson was dispatched to Oxford Road in St. Andrew about 10:24 p.m. on Monday, where it was reported that a JUTC bus had developed mechanical problems. It is alleged that while he waited at the location, he was pounced upon and shot several times. He was pronounced dead at hospital.
Let me bring some clarity to that voice note, because that individual who sent that voice note don't hear what is happening and don't understand either. They just talk a lot. Let me explain to you that the JUTC driver never just come out of any bus and stab up anybody. What happened is that the taximan said that the JUTC bad driving, cut in front of the bus and stop. He apparently licked the bus at licked the JUTC bus. So the driver came out to assess the damage of the bus and to see the damage that is on his taxi, right? Altercation occur, some struggle, the man gets stabbed and him dead with him own knife, right? And it is alleged that is not the driver of the JUTC bus stabbed him, but people are saying that it is him. But persons that were on the scene is saying it's not the JUTC driver. No, for a reprisal, those men don't know nothing about the situation. Took it upon themselves to do whatever and kill the JUTC driver. Man who not have nothing to do with what happened. Nothing at all to do with what happened. Separate incident. You understand? So that man who sent that voice note don't know one crap where my chat say.
Biggs was shot dead after taxi operator 37-year-old Akeeno Britton, otherwise called Bubinile, of a Ambrook Lane, Kingston 10 address, was fatally stabbed, allegedly by a JUTC bus driver. According to the police, Britton was driving a Toyota Isis motor car along Washington Boulevard in Kingston 20 about 6:45 p.m. on Monday, when he allegedly got into an altercation with the JUTC bus driver. The police said the situation escalated and a knife was brought into play and the taxi driver was allegedly stabbed several times. He was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead.
Here's some bad drive thing going on, Like, him drive down the bus and cut in front of the bus, so the bus bad drive him. Driver come out to see what if him lick him. Can't say him lick him. Driver must come out to look and here say at that time them start fight. You see me?
Yo, I'm gonna tell you how things. I joined the taxi man drunk, you know. You get me? I say? Drunk the taxi man drunk and attack the man with a knife, brother. And the man take the knife from the man. Yeah, the taxi man must juke off him myself and take it, them wrestle, them wrestle or whatever. And the man take the knife from the man and stab him back. Stab him up. You get me? I say? So this is where it come from. You get me? I say? I show you. A man drunk and a man stab off for you, take a knife from the man and stab him. So I put it a problem. You get me? I say? So one of them things still, I just Jamaica run still. You get me? I say?
The incident caused Britton's colleagues who plied the Duhaney Park to halfway tree route to withdraw their service.
Man, yo, someone have to think before they talk, man. Yo, I'm more than one driver there on the bus. The wagon. I'm more than one driver. Yeah. So who you feel say I got talk say a Tom, Dick or Harry? I want to know, man. What even if they talk or what that I got benefit you on? More know some man blight some of them buses and kill a couple of them drivers here too. I saw you think set no man. There's nothing to investigate about again right there, so no. More what do them thing no man. I saw me see it now, so I hear how now got benefit. Choke thing on the depot now, man.
Brother, bus depot, if you have information for who did I drive that bus, brother. Yeah, Mr. Gunman, I will know say yo we have everything we're big and yellow gunman. I want to tell you that my friend think now I got so you.
This strike by the JUTC and taxi drivers left hundreds stranded across the corporate area and Portmore in St. Catherine. Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force were seen transporting passengers to and from halfway tree.
Load. No more people.
As a result of the developments, precautionary measures were taken, where the halfway tree transport center was evacuated and shut down amid a bomb threat, which was later discovered to be a hoax. Schools were also urged to dismiss early by the Ministry of Education due to the Jamaica Urban Transit Company service withdrawal. Meanwhile, the JUTC employee accused of killing the taxi driver is now in custody after he turned himself into the police sometime on Tuesday.
teach them. Hey, yo, yellow. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.